Flamenco is a cultural dance coming from Spain. Flamenco has roots from Africa, the Middle East, and many other countries near the area. It all started when the king and queen decided they wanted everybody to be a certain religion. The people in Spain that wanted to be different hid in caves. They started singing sad songs and people danced to those sad songs. That is how flamenco came to be. The song we will dance today is a rumba flamenca. The next song is featuring castanets, which is an instrument used in flamenco. And the song is a paso doble. Song is Sevillanas, a typical dance you see during Feria, a cultural festival in the south of Spain.